Hi there everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open this Euro cylinder UAP. Don't know if you can see that UAP, just wait till it focuses. I think that's it. Just a few things before I'm going to open it. First thing, if you can hear some whirring in the background, it's just a freezer. It's just been whirring its head off, so hopefully that'll not interfere with me going through a couple of things anyway before we start. So here we go, I'm just going to put it back on this tripod like so, and just line it up slightly. Strange, I've just lined it up, locked the tripod on, put camera back, not touched anything. It's amazing how it unlines again. So here we go, standard UAP Euro cylinder, doors locked. I'll just go through these keys. I've got 5 keys here. I've got the original which says SHL, which is there. I don't know if you can see that profile. Excuse my lucky hands, I've been working this week. So that's that one. If camera will focus. We've got I'll do it this way. No particular order, these keys, just different key profiles, but it's amazing these universal keys what you actually do. I don't know if you quite can see how many peaks there is on there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins on there. This one, again, no particular order, just put a black cap on. No real reason for it, just thought it looked a bit pretty. On that one we've got 1, 2, 3 P's on that one. Move to the green one. 1, 2, 3 P's again, just slightly different heights. That's that one. This one again, if you look at the key profile on that, we've got a massive deep here compared to the other one. On this we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 peaks on that. I don't know if you quite can see. Peaks on that. So here we go. This is the original key anyway, which I'll just go through showing you. The door's locked, standard UPVC door, 60/40. Open it, close it, door's locked. Now with these keys, what you've got to do is you've got to rake them in and out quite quick and just tilt it to one side. First of all, I'll use this black one with 3 peaks on. So here we go. Door's locked. Just continue with camera so I don't think I'm cheating. I'll just put these 5 keys on here. So what you've got to do is you've got to rake it in and out, and like wood unlocking the door. So, and it usually, for these keys, it usually does about halfway. So, typical on camera, don't do it. In fact, see that then? Didn't do anything. Just went. Sometimes they go, sometimes they don't on these. You can see it goes over. And that's with that black key there, not original. But the beauty about these keys, you can lock it as well, so let's try locking it, shall we? Again, just in and out. See that? It just went straight away. Door's locked now. Go on to the green one, just slightly different key profile again. Not cheating or anything. Just go back to original and show you original. That's original. Look at it, SHL. In fact, what I'll do, I'll just take these off. Oops, I've knackered the keyring, but never mind, it's only a cheaper. And just show you key profiles. Got that one there, put that in the mouth, excuse me, and that one there. That's three totally different. So, doors locked. Again, raking in and out, gentle movement. See that then? It went. And that will like, that far won't see. So, let's try locking it with it. Again, in and out, gentle movement, slightly tilting it to the right. See that? Went again. Slightly deeper this time. Strangely, see, I can't really get my head around it. So we'll move on to one of these strange key profiles. I don't know if you can see that, we got keys on. Those locks, so I'm not cheating, I'll leave it pulling it. And again, just raking them out with these gently. Nearly went now. Sorry if my hand didn't work. Got the camera. To be honest, I think it's better on keys, you can get a bit more grip on it. Went again, doors open. That's the other keys. So I'll just lock it with this one. Doors open, lock it. Just can't feel it behind. Again, when this time, that far went keyway with these universal keys. So I'll just try the fifth one. As you can see, doors locked. Put it in alt way. Again, just gentle raking, and move it to left. Went again. Sometimes they go in like a couple of seconds, other times it takes a minute. I've even known with these keys, you do it, go through alt set. There's a 6-inch set, you go through one set, don't do it, try it again second time, does it no problem in a couple of seconds again. Strange. Doors open, close the door, gentle raking in and out. Didn't do it that time. Went halfway and then just stopped. To be honest, I've never known that. Again, it stopped. Strange. Honestly, I've never known this happen with these keys on. This particular one anyway. So let's try it again. Open it. Close it. I'm trying to lock the door anyway, as you can see. So just lock it with original one, as you can see, SHL. Doors open, not a problem with this key, original key. Doors locked. I'll open it again with one of these universal keys. I don't think it's a bit better on the key, like I said, because see that now? Because you can just hold it that bit better. Try locking it again. Lock straight away, no problem. That's with that. God, with one, so loads of peaks on it anyway, so I'll just try with that other one. Lots of peaks on. Again, just gentle raking in and out, move it anti-clockwise. See if we get any further this time. And we're putting a few more videos on anyway over the next week or so. This is just my first video. Nearly went now. To be honest, other phone a bit more reliable than this one. So I might use that one now. These work on most UL cylinders as well, it's just in case they're going through the set and trying them. So pop that one down. I'll go back to using this one with the 1, 2, 3 peak. I'll just take the cap off. If I can. Yeah, that's it. I'm just painting it black as well. Again, no reason, just messing about. SHL. Look at key profile again on there. Look how much bigger it is. But yeah, just put it in, rake it in and out gently. It's gone. That 4-inch keyway. Look at that. It's quite mad that, isn't it? So, doors open, just look at this and that's it for my first video anyway. Hope you've enjoyed watching it and lots of read reviews from yourselves. Itself more that's the video. And it won't like what we were saying. It's locked. So thanks very much for watching, and no doubt I'll speak to you all and see you all soon. Bye.